The task of the Constituent Assembly became the sovereign body after the Indian Independence Act 1947 was enacted, and it was freed from all limitations and the restrictions imposed by the British Parliament earlier under the different acts and plans. The sole task of Constituent Assembly was framing of the Constitution for the independence India, the search of providing legal frame and incorporating important system relevant in India began. The framers looked forward the international document progressive democratic constituent and constitutional doctrine of prevailing in Britain. It can be said the word what was finally adopted by the framers was British form. The government adopted the federal constitution as stated by the authority on the constitutional law of India, H.M. Survey. The British has an unwritten unitary constitution based on the two fundamental doctrine of supremacy of parliament, cabinet form of the government with a monarch as its head. What is the famous drew the UK was the Westminster model of cabinet government as the system governed India. According to Supreme Court, this is the model increasingly demand high standard character and conduct from the member of legislative, judiciary, higher civil services to world wars and consequential trials of the war criminal before India achieved the independence marked by the international scene. The horrendous thought of extermination of millions of people in gas chamber revealed the Nuremberg of extermination of millions of people in Nuremberg trials, crimes against humanity, inhuman and barbaric violence over the civil population during the war and civil strife in the partition, which left a permanent scar, reminded the humanity of need for the human life and dignity. Cruelties and infamies during the Nazi regime influence making of the Constitution. Part 3rd was the fundamental rights was generated out of such human suffering and inspired by the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Fundamental rights were not included in the earlier Constitution, the Government of India 1935, because the British Parliament was skeptical about the necessity of enshrining the fundamental rights and rights declared by the UN were not enforceable. While the incorporation of fundamental rights is a significant aspect of the new constitution, the framers deliberated a lot of importance in the concept of federalism with the changes suitable to the Indian circumstances, the diversity in unity rather than unity in diversity. Federalism basic philosophy is accepted and provided in the Indian constitution. Thus, cooperative federalism, which is now the character of Indian constitution, was described